Good afternoon. It is Thursday, April. Wow, more price action. Okay. Thursday or Wednesday, April 21st, 2021. And we are looking at an uptrend day. Not too many trades. Just a couple of good trades here, and then everything else was aggressive the way I saw it anyway. Um, uh, yeah, we'll take a look at these. I forgot to label these. But we will take a look and really you got a good entry here. I don't think there was much around the opening. This this is an aggressive trade. I think people would dislike that I'm even marking this, but I took this and posted a video and it did work out. And it would have been if I put left my stop here, I could have gotten, 30 points out of it. I do have a measured move target of 41.59. Doesn't look like we're gonna make it, um, but we could. We could. I measured that from here to there. But let's take a look at the price action, and it shouldn't take long. So when I came in, we had this sharp leg down, and prices were quickly making their way towards the overnight lows. So I was like, okay, well, let me get a video ready in case we get a break and a move to a new low. And that's exactly what we got. We got a break and a move to a new low. But the problem here is that it's congestive, and I probably should not have taken that because, look, you got a doji and all this overlap. But I really like that. It looks like there are some trapped shorts, and even more trapped shorts get piled on here, which is why you get filled over here. So it's just a break and a move to a new low. Then we get this congestion, and um, there's an engulfing bar here, but I don't think you can enter there. Prices eventually break out and make this massive leg up, but I don't see how you can enter on that, unfortunately, unless you entered on this second entry. Check it out. So yeah, guys, this is a second entry long. So if you did enter on that, then you could have gotten this whole move. Get an overshoot leads to a break. Just some congestion here. And then we get this leg up, and you get a first entry, second entry long. And I just like this simply because, look, we're well over the overnight highs, which are like down here. And we just made this huge leg up. So it is, I mean, it's below the EMA. And you might look at this as like it's in a channel or something, but I like that second entry long. And then we get a range, and I really like these perfect bullish signal bars at the bottom of the range that close just outside of it. I really like those entries, and that would have gotten you a nice move. And unfortunately, I don't think you can enter on this. Um, this is a big move. And then we get a pullback. This looks like a channel. We get like a big overshoot, pops back up, comes down, then more congestion within the congestion, and you get like a second entry, but also just a failed breakout. That's what I like this. It's not as perfect of a signal bar as this, but it's a failed breakout with room back to the midline, back to the EMA. So I like that. You got a failed second entry. Wait, no, that's not a failed second entry. This is a second entry long here. It's a second entry long breakout pullback, is what that is. Um, with a good signal bar off the EMA. Only reason it's aggressive is because we don't have a trend channel yet. And then you get this first entry, and at this point, it just looks like, okay, this is, prices have been going up all morning, so for 2 hours. So it's just a pullback to the EMA is all that is. So yeah, it's aggressive, but then here you get like a failed second entry short, but it also kind of looks like a second entry long. So this one, I'm annoyed because I was too nervous to take either of those, but I feel like, so I don't know. I really like this one especially. And guys, after that, I didn't see anything I liked. You get an overshoot of this channel, you get this overshoot, and then that leads to a break, which would be somewhere down here. And this just looked like a big range, kind of. Um, I was considering marking this one right here. And really, that's just a break of that downward channel and a move to a attempt at a new low. That's all that is, though. And I don't see anything in here. You do get a second entry right here. So, I mean, it's going into the top of the range is the problem. So it's just not something I like. And that's it for today. Again, we didn't make that measured move that I drew anyway to 250 or 159, but maybe the measure move is around here and I just didn't measure it right. But that's what I saw for the day. I hope everyone had a good day. Stick with the trend on days like this, and I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good day.